Hey everyone, welcome back to the Weather Guard Garage. My name is Matt and I have the how-to crew here with Ryan and Fairlight. Today, we're going to show you how to install these mounting rail kits. So these rails are what you're going to need to put in before you add folding or static shelves to your ride. The cool thing with these is that these rails keep you from drilling into the van floor. So if you're installing folding shelves, it's perfect for EVs or any van really. And you can mix and match our folding or static shelves to customize the van the way you want. Now these rails are available for Ford, Mercedes, and Ram. Each is a little different and comes with its own kit and tweaks, but the basics are similar. Today, we're installing into a Ram ProMaster with a 136-inch wheelbase. If your van is a low roof 118-inch model, this setup isn't for you. All right, let's grab our tools. First up, we're mounting the front channels to the upper and middle inside van wall. We'll use blind fasteners where needed and talk about that in a bit. Now, the rear mounting channels go on the same way, but they've got different links and slot locations. So make sure you've got the right ones lined up. Mark your spots for those blind fasteners and use existing holes if you've got them. Before you drill, double check. No wires, no gas lines, no headaches. All right, so let's get these channels in. If you have a weld nut, you'll need a 5mm Allen wrench and an M8 bolt with the washer. Tighten it down. If not, we gotta install some blind fasteners first. Start with a 1/4 inch pilot hole, then follow up with a 1/2 inch bit. And be easy on that pressure. You don't want dimples messing up your van's body panels. Let's get those blind fasteners in there. Slide the blind fastener into the hole. Use a 13mm socket for the M8s or 7/16 inch for 1/4-20s and tighten it down. At first it's going to be tight, then it bulbs out and gets easier until it bottoms out. That's when you stop. Then reverse the drill and remove the bolt. Final step, attach the mounting channels with your M8 bolts and washers. Tighten everything to 20 foot-pounds using your 5mm hex wrench, and that's it, you're locked in. Now your van's set up and solid and you're good to put in some shelves. Need more installs? Subscribe to our channel because we got plenty more where that came from. And while you're at it, check out our socials too. We'll catch you next time.